Welcome to Soul Sanctuary. If your mind feels too full, too loud, too fast, this is your reset button. Let's begin. Sit or lie down comfortably. Place both feet flat or let your whole body be supported. Take a deep breath in and exhale with a sigh. Again. Feel gravity. Feel the weight of your body. Let it be held. Now we interrupt the thought spiral. Breathe in through your nose for 4 counts. Hold for 4. Exhale slowly for 6. Again. Breathe in through your nose for 4 counts. Hold for 4. Exhale slowly for 6. Let your exhale be longer than your inhale. This signals safety to your nervous system. One more time. Breathe in through your nose for 4 counts. Hold for 4. Exhale slowly for 6. Now, let all the thoughts rise to the surface. Don't stop them. Don't judge them. Just observe. Imagine each one leaving your mind like mist, floating up and disappearing. There's nothing to solve right now, nothing to fix, just space. With each breath, your mind becomes clearer, quieter. Your awareness expands beyond the chatter. Feel that spaciousness behind the thoughts. That's you. That's peace. That's clarity. Repeat silently, I am not my thoughts. I am the stillness underneath. Let your system settle now. Let the calm ripple through your body. You've just created space. You've detoxed your mind. Carry this clarity with you. Let it guide your next choice, your next word, your next breath. Thank you for being here. This is Soul Sanctuary. Return to this practice anytime. Until next time, be light.